So this is the MAXL Interior Car Cleaner Detailer Spray with NeverDust technology. And this stuff does a lot. It cleans, it helps protect surfaces, and even leaves behind a dust-resistant finish so your car stays cleaner longer. It comes in a super convenient spray bottle, so it's really easy to use. Let me show you how I use it in my car. As you can see, my car gets dusty fast. I'm not even sure where all this dust and grime comes from, but it builds up super quick. So I start by spraying a microfiber cloth with a detailer, and then I wipe everything down. I make sure to get into all the cracks and crevices to really clean it well. This easily lifts things like smudges, water spots, and that built up dust. Then I go back in with a dry microfiber cloth and lightly buff it out just to remove any excess. It really dries fast and it doesn't leave a residue, which is super nice. I even use it on my display and screen, and if there's anything left over, you just take your cloth and wipe it away. Easy peasy. Overall, this is a great product if you're trying to level up your car cleaning routine and actually keep your car looking clean longer.